Do you have kids at home that want to cook with you, but sometimes it can be a little cumbersome to get a lot of things going on in the kitchen with little amount of time? Well, today I have my pal Savanna here, and we're going to go ahead and make 3 quick little dishes with Sonya Sweet and Spicy so that you can have a little aid in the kitchen, a little help and assistance, but it's going to make it productive, super flavorful, and fun. What do you say?
Sounds great, Sonya.
Awesome. Let's do this. Hey everyone, welcome back to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. Like I had mentioned, I have my pal Savanna here today helping me in the kitchen to make some flavorful dishes. But before we get started, go ahead and click subscribe down below and hit the bell so that you can get notifications on when I have a new video. So what we have happening here today in our kitchen is that we've got some pesto, some apricot jam, and some hummus. We're going to add a little bit of Sonya Sweet and Spicy to these already existing products that you can just add in there. You don't have to start making hummus from scratch. You don't have to start making your apricot jam from scratch or going out into the garden and getting all of your basil crushed up to make some really awesome pesto. So Savanna, you're going to help me out. We're going to add a little bit of Sonya Sweet and Spicy to each of these items, and then we're going to try them and let everyone know what they think.
Sounds great.
All right, so you work on this one here, and I'll work on this one here. And we're gonna take just about a half a tablespoon or to taste. And these are just small little dishes. These are, I think these are about half cup dishes that don't have, you know, it's all about the taste. So I'm gonna add some of the Sonya Sweet and Spicy. Savannah's adding the hummus. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my apricot jam. And this can be any jam or any type of hummus or any kind of pesto. And if you have fig paste or if you have anything that you want to add, grab that, mix this up, and it's pretty much done. I'll go ahead and do the pesto, and then you're going to mix in some of the Sonya Sweet and Spicy with that. And this is definitely some of these things that you can pump up your dishes. For pesto, I like to make crostinis. You like pasta too, don't you?
Yeah.
So we can add this to pesto to the pasta. We can add, you can make really great PB&Js with a little bit of the spicy apricot jam. Or you can go ahead and add this jam over a bed of cream cheese, serve it with crackers, and it's a super quick and easy appetizer. And did you add your sweet and spicy already? Awesome, perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and give all of these a try. So, all right, so let's give this a try. Is that good?
Yeah, this is really
good. Good. This is awesome. So this is a super easy appetizer that you can do with your kids or with your pals that live up the street and make things super quick in your kitchen. So the possibilities are endless on how you can use this. My peppers are not so hot that it's going to burn your taste buds off. They are sweet, and then you get a little bite of heat, but it's all good, right? Because you don't like spicy, but you like my spicy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so with that said, don't forget that we are on Facebook, facebook.com/SonyaSweetSpicy, Instagram.com/SonyaSweetSpicy, and of course, if you'd like to buy any of my product, you can go to SonyaSweetSpicy.com. It's all right down here, and I've got other videos right up here that you can view in addition to this super easy one. So we're chopping and slicing, dicing and cooking, roasting and toasting. Thanks everyone. Take care. Bye.